What's up, everybody? You might remember this clip.
Happy birthday, homie. For me.
We'll hear it.
Happy birthday, homeboy. For me. Yeah.
Got this. Birthday's this Sunday. Turning 18. Nah, turning 23. But I can't stay long on this with this camera because it shorts out sometimes. But birthday shout out to me. Got me this pint, $10.99 plus tax. It's black flavored whiskey, 80 proof, blackberry flavored. I have no idea, never had something like this. It smells decent. So, anybody else that has the birthday that time, happy birthday, January 8th, people. Capricorn. Cheers. Really don't need chaser. That's really good. Peace, YouTube. Happy birthday, guys, to me.